welcome to Art with Rowan. It's my very first lesson. Today I'm going to show you how to be drawing a leaf that can go with a flower that I'm going to draw for you in my next video. So enjoy this one and make sure to subscribe. So the first step is to make a curved line from the top all the way to the bottom and stop. Step 2. With your Sharpie, you don't need a Sharpie, you can use a pencil with this, but I'm using a Sharpie just so it can show up good on the camera. So step 2, draw another curvy line to meet that one at the bottom. Almost like a dime, almost like an oval. But there's points at the end. So, the next step is up from the bottom, draw a curvy line. And then, from one side, draw sticks coming out of it. And then, on the other side, draw the sticks in the middle. So, then you make curved lines coming out of the spikes so it looks kind of like a leaf. And you do that on each one. Okay, so once you're done with your spikes, you go ahead and take your colors. I recommend crayons or oil pastels. So first you take one color. I'm using purple. Color the top one in purple, and you can color it all in all green if you want to. Color the top purple, and then down get a color that goes good with purple, like green. And do that underneath so that the colors kind of blend together a little bit, like this. So now I'm gonna color in all of my spaces and tell you what to do next. So now you are finished with your leaf. You don't have to make it all colors. It's your decision. I chose to make it all colors. So once you're done, you don't have to do this, but I suggest write your name somewhere. You could do an arrow and do like somebody's name, like your name, or you can flip it over and write your name on the back. So I'll tell you when that is done. And now finish you up. So if your name bleeds through, if you did it on the back, I would rather just scribble it in with black. Wait, like I did it on both sides. So, and there you have it. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thanks for watching. Bye.